Today, we're drawing Demogorgon from Stranger Things. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Alright, let's start with that beautiful smile. Draw a messy ring of sharp teeth, starting with the lower jaw first. And then the upper jaw. Think of them as angry little triangles. Cute, right? Now let's add the abyss, the inner mouth. Draw a wavy circle inside. And add some squiggly fleshy lines outside the teeth to make it look nice and squishy. Time for the famous flower head. Start with the top petal pointing straight up. Then, just work your way around from left to right, drawing 4 more big flaps, like a terrifying starfish. This flower needs more teeth. Line the inside of every single petal with another row of sharp spikes. Don't hold back, this guy loves to chew. To make those flaps pop, draw an inner outline around the edges. This gives our Demogorgon that thick, leathery monster look. Looking good, buddy! Moving down, let's draw his right arm. Keep it long and skinny. And don't forget those nasty claws on the fingers. Need those for opening dimensional portals, you know. Now for the left arm. Same deal. Spindly arm, creepy hand, extra sharp nails. Symmetry is key, even when you're a monster from the upside down. Let's give him legs so he can chase us. Draw the left leg with a backward bend, almost like a dinosaur. Add 3 big toes with, you guessed it, more claws. Finish off the stance with the right leg firmly planted on the ground. Look at that posture. He's totally ready to pounce. For the final touch, let's add some definition. Draw the chest lines, collarbones, and a few marks on the joints to make him look extra ripped. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!